Good morning once again. This is Bullion Farm and this is Choice speaking. Alright, that bird has finally died. Not the one that was coughing. The one that was coughing, I'm still nursing it. It has managed to get its voice back, but the cough is still there. And you wouldn't like to hear that. But I just isolated another one that was also coughing. And there are two of them. And it's around about 1:34 in the morning. So I've been awake, and that's just how farming, especially when you're brooding, keeps you awake. So I've been trying to feed them with medicated water. As you can see, the spoon there, that medication has got a lot of antibiotics, including herbal combined. Yes, I just want to knock this as bad as. And inside the group, I have also added these antibiotics for all the birds to drink to stop anything from spreading. So as it stands now, our fingers crossed. This is the 13th. Two of these are the 13 birds that are going to disappear from the farm if they die. But as it stands now, 11 birds have died. I repeat, 11 out of the 306 plus 1 birds have died. That means we are losing birds faster, and we are just day 6 today. Very unfortunate. But farming must continue. Good morning once more, and happy farming. In all situations, we have to continue being what? Happy. Just keep farming. You can't be discouraged at all. So this is Choice. This is William Farm. Just giving you an update. Okay. Good morning.